This video will guide you through quickly mastering the operation of the Max 5 card shuffling and dealing machine. First, press the power key to activate your Max 5. Press the function key to set the number of players. The flashing digits indicate that the current parameter is in the pending setup state. You can increase or decrease the number of players by pressing the plus or minus keys. Max 5 can support up to 8 players. After completing the setup, press the function key to confirm and proceed to the next parameter setting.
3-person mode, 5-person mode, 8-person mode.
The sheet represents the number of cards dealt to each player. Set 1 to 999 cards by pressing the plus key and the minus key. After completing the setup, press the function key to confirm. The bottom represents the number of community cards. Similarly, you can adjust the number of community cards by pressing the plus and minus keys, with a maximum of 99 cards. Deal after shuffle setting. When this function is turned off, evenly distribute the playing cards on the card-holding boards on both sides of Max 5. Then press the shuffle button at the top center to complete the shuffling. Random dealing setting. In the enabled state, Max 5 deals a random number of cards to each player every round, while ensuring the final total remains consistent, thus achieving the effect of a second shuffle. When random dealing is turned off, you can set the number of cards for serial dealing, which can increase the probability of players getting better cards combinations in certain card gameplays. When the number of players is 2 or 3, you can choose swing mode or diagonal mode. In swing mode, Max 5 will control the dealing angle within 180 degrees, setting the timing for dealing the bottom cards. In bottom dealt early mode, the bottom cards will be dealt together with the whole cards every round. In bottom dealt last mode, the bottom cards will be dealt all at once after dealing the whole cards. Finally, set the dealing direction. You can choose to have Max 5 deal cards clockwise or counterclockwise. There are 4 ways for Max 5 to start dealing. Option 1, deal after shuffle. When this function is enabled, simply press the shuffle button. The machine will automatically proceed the dealing program after completing the shuffle. Option 2, one-key dealing. Press the red deal key, and Max 5 will directly start dealing cards from the card warehouse. Option 3, directional dealing. When the number of players is 3 or 4, press one of the top 4 direction keys, and Max 5 will start dealing from the corresponding direction of the player. Option 4, dice dealing. After completing all settings, press the dice key. The people value will start scrolling, and the system will randomly select a value corresponding to a position within the current total number of players to start dealing. You can also manually set the starting position for dealing by long pressing the dice key. Then press the deal key to initiate the dealing program. During the dealing process, you can touch the sensing area on the top of Max 5 to pause dealing. Pressing the deal key will resume dealing. If you choose the remote control version, we will equip you with 4 bidding devices. U represents the machine, and the orientation of the small triangle indicates the player's position. Each press of a bidding device, Max 5 will deal a card to the player in the corresponding direction. Currently, the machine supports up to 4 players using the bidding devices. The retractable wings of Max 5 are compatible with various sizes of playing cards. Long press the function key to access the advanced settings, including language selection, controller matching, touch pause function settings, and the card warehouse sensor settings. Now, start your Max 5 and embark on a delightful time of playing card games.